Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to keep your family or financial advisor in the loop? Well, Empower makes it easy to share your visual reports, and I'm going to show you exactly how to share visual reports with family or advisor in Empower. The first point is to export reports. So go to the Reports tab in Empower and then select the report that you would like to share. For example, net worth, balance, or investment performance, and then click Export or Download. Next is to choose format. So reports are usually available as PDF or Excel files. PDFs are the best for clean visuals, while Excel allows for deeper analysis. Third point is to share securely. So you're going to send the file through a secure method. It could be encrypted email, cloud sharing with permissions, or even print if needed. Always keep your data privacy in mind. The fourth point is to use for collaboration. Now, share reports helps your spouse, partner, and advisor to clearly see progress and challenges, making collaborations much more effective. Stay transparent and aligned with by sharing your financial progress visually. And that's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more financial tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.